On Linux there is a bug inside the Unity hub, and the bug is that you will not be able to add any modules. The modules will download, but they will not be installed. In order to fix this, you need to go to your software center if you have one, or even if you don't have one, just know that these are the packages that you require. The first package is the 7-zip package. Please make sure that you use an official repository. The second package that you will need is called CPIO. And this is the package that you'll need, CPIO. As you can see, a tool to copy files into or out of a CPIO or tar archive. The reason why you can't extract, the computer fails to extract the modules, is because the package doesn't exist on Linux by default. Hopefully this will fix your problem. Thank you.